I'm writing a proposal for AI transformation, which is part of my MIT assignment 8 capstone, and I already have some content, but don't have some of the content. As I go along, I would like to add more content. So, for example, in this slide, under this section, business context, I do want to describe more about the business or my assignment, and how I done it is that I put a slide title and then some instructions. And similarly here, I will write my instructions to Claude, which is my favorite LLM, that what kind of content I would like Claude to research on. This slide is something I prepared. Claude don't need to change or update anything, but it's for reference. And this is another slide for Claude to reference and understand, so that Claude has a background. But then I need Claude to update something with logo. I'm not sure whether it works or not. And then here I like to Claude to research and write and draw some diagrams. So let's proceed now. So I have Claude plugin installed in my PowerPoint. It's still beta. In order to get Claude to do slides for me, because I'm too lazy to do all the slides by myself, I just select the slides, which after I selected, so there are 16 slides I selected. And then here on this side panel, just to show you how I access it. On this side panel, it was like this. Once you have Claude plugin installed, you click on Claude, and then you key in what the instructions that you want Claude to do on these 6 slides that you have selected. So here are my instructions. I tell Claude that this is a business context section, so it refers to the slides section, which I need Claude to write the content along with infographics and images from internet, and the instructions that I left on each slide. So I'm telling Claude that if you see this instruction, if you see text like this, those are instructions specific for the slide that Claude need to follow. And then I will start generating. Before that, Claude has the option to ask before edits. So in this case, I will ask Claude to ask me before updating. So here goes. So Claude, as usual, will let you know what it's doing in the background. It's reading all the 6 slides that I selected, not the entire deck of slides. The entire deck of 130 slides. If I don't select, Claude will read all 130. That will burn up a lot of tokens. But since I only selected 6, that will save Claude's time and effort, which saves me from tokens. And then it starts thinking. So now that Claude has got everything that Claude should know, it's doing planning on what to update and how to update. The slide is still not changed yet, as you can see. But once Claude starts changing the slides, you will see it updated in real time. Because here I selected to ask me first. Before it changes, you'll ask me first. Okay. It's going to take some time now. Okay, I paused the recording just now for about 20 seconds, so now we can see that Claude is updating real time one of the slides. Okay, it's working in the background. Now it's going to update the next slide. Okay, so he has updated the second slide. Okay, so update here, I hope. So while Claude is working, it's already about 5 minutes or less. I can go grab a coffee and let Claude finish the work. Claude is still working. Content-wise, it's pretty much updated. Now Claude is doing a visual check on the slides, and to make sure that the slides look presentable. So I'm quite confident of the work, so I'll just say aloud. So you can see that just now everything was clumped together. And now Claude is tidying up the slides. See, with Claude for PowerPoint plugin, Claude can visualize the slides using tools provided by PowerPoint, and it will start to do the visual cleanup. See, and I asked Claude to draw a pie chart, and let's take a look. How is it looking? I think it will still try to beautify it some more. It's been about 2 minutes that I paused the, 5 minutes I paused the recording while I go grab a coffee, and Claude is diligently helping me to come up with good content and also fix whatever visual layout problems. The placeholder text that I had on the blank slide now is being replaced with some content that Claude generated for me, and it's also a chart. It's still working on it, and it's automatically checking all the numbers, not just checking the visuals. Okay, let's see now. So Claude has done his work. I will run through the content a bit. It's not 100%, but it's there. So previously this was empty slide. Now it's full of details, which of course I can spend time writing it, but this slide might take me half an hour. Claude did it in minutes. The content is all from internet. This slide as well. This slide was generated before. Yeah, and this was generated by Claude. So as you can see, work that takes half an hour, 1 hour, slide done. Claude done it in 10 minutes or less while I go grab a coffee. Thank you for watching.